The welding between tube and two plates is also not simple. The unique step we adopt is pre-expansion, which helps to eliminate the gaps between tube and two plates. And then we use argon arc welding to reduce the welding stress. These steps eventually prolong the service life of our boiler. Over here, you can see our free-turn racks. Once the boiler purpose are completed, they will be put on these racks. The racks can be turned 180 degrees so that our worker can find the perfect angle for welding, eventually guarantee our boiler welding quality and improve our working efficiency. This is an exclusive nozzle welding robot in China. As you can see, the robot arm is automatically positioning welding in different directions so that we have very good quality of boiler support. Take a look at these amazing details. After completing a siev's work, such as smoke box accessory welding and hydraulic test, we come to this boiler insulation packaging area. Boiler insulation uses high-quality aluminum silicate fiber and then evenly spread with refractory material. The outside will be wrapped with stainless steel plates. As you can see, our staff is preparing the stainless steel plate on the ground in this area. So in these ways, we can control the outside temperature of our boiler below 45 degrees, which effectively reduces the heat loss.